Hello, 6th standard children. Welcome to online class. In previous class, we have to discuss about basic geometrical ideas. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Let's now start question number 4. Question number 4. How many lines can pass through how many lines can pass us through one so given point. So B is now two given point. So answer is A. So how many lines can pass us through one given point? So this is a point O. So many lines can pass us through one single point. So now as so many countless of lines it can pass us through a single point. So answer is so many lines can pass through a one point or means countless. So countless number of lines it can pass us through one single point. So now second one is two points are given. So lines are point A and point B. So line is a point A and point B. Only one line it can pass us through two distinct points. So answer is only one line can be passed through a two distinct point. So now only one line can pass through a two distinct point. So now takes another question, the question number 6th. So write true or false. Write true or false. Right? True or false. So now question number 1 is, so draw one figure. So now this is the one figure. So now line. So this is Q point, this is M point, and this is O point, and this is N point, and this is P point. This is one of the line. So the question is so Q M O N P are points on the line line on the line MN, on the line MN. It is true or false. So it is Q, M, O, N, P are points on the line MN. So it is true. It is true because nodi, Q, M, O, N, P are the points on the line MN. Line MN. That is true. So B is MON, MON are points, are points, are points on a line, on a line segment, line segment, line segment MN, line segment MN, line segment MN. So node, so MON are points on a line segment because MN is a line segment. So 3 points on the line segment M1. So now in this way the statement is true. So now take another one is C. M and N, M and N are endpoint, MN are endpoint endpoints of a line of line segment MN, line segment MN, line segment MN. So now this is M and N are endpoint of line segment MN. That is correct. MN are endpoint of a line segment M1. The statement is true. The statement is true. So take D. O and N, O and N, O and N are endpoint, are endpoint points of line segment, line endpoint or line segment OP. So now O and N. So O and N are the endpoint of line segment OP. ON or O and N are endpoints of a line segment OP. Line segment OP. So it is not true. It is not true. ON. So now that is the statement is false because ON are endpoint of a line segment OP. So ON is not an endpoint of a line segment. OP is the endpoint of a line segment. So now take another one is E. M is one of the endpoint. M is the one. M is one of the. M is one of the endpoints of the so line segment QO. line segment QO, line segment QO. So is it true or false? So now M is the midpoint of line segment QO. M is one of the midpoint of line segment QO. So it is on A. So exactly the statement is false. So one of the end point of the line segment QO. So it is wrong. So D is what? EF. F is M is point on ray. M is point on ray OP. Ray OP. So as this is right. So that is E. F. So M is point on OP. Ray OP. So let's say, so it is on M is point on ray OP. So its statement is as false. So now takes another one, EFG. Ray OP. So ray OP is same as so now as G. Ray OP is not same, is different from from ray QP. So OP is different from as QP. So it is right according to the straight line, that is true. The statement is true. So now take H. So H is what is called H. Ray OP. Ray OP is same as ray OM. So that is H. Ray OP is same as ray OM. So it is not impossible. That statement is false. So now take I. I is ray OM. So OM. Ray OM. Ray OM is not opposite. To ray OP straight line. So according to the statement is false. So now takes as J. O is not an not an not an initial 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 point of ray OP. So now the statement is so false. This is exactly the false. So now take K. So n is the initial point initial point n is the initial point of NP and NM and NM. So exactly the statement is true. Exactly the statement is true. So now it is complete your exercise. So homework is exercise 6.1, 4.1, not 6.1, 4.1, first main, second main and third main. So now solve and then send my mobile personal number. Are you okay? Okay.